In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5, exercise 5.2, and question number 4. The question we have, the interest rate, means we have to find out I in this question. Compounded monthly for an investment of $10,000 to accumulate to $12,000 in 5 years. So see, I we have to find out in this question, and this is the important question. I can write down here, important. You have to practice it. So n, m, n, present value we have 10,000. You have 10,000, you are going to invest 10,000 for 5 years, then you will get $12,000, right? So at what interest rate? What is the interest rate? Formula I will write down here. P into 1 plus I divided by 100 into m into n. So first you have to figure out m, right? From here, compounded monthly, it means this is m is 12. There are 12 months in a year. And we have 5 years. 5 multiplied by 12, so 60. 60 months, it means n is 60. So C 60 is equal to 12,000, means after 60 months, our initial investment, which is 10,000, will be 12,000. So put the values in this formula, we will get 12,000, 10,000, 1 plus interest we have to find out, 100 into 12 and raised to power 60. Okay, so see, this one we do not, okay, in next step I will do this. First I will just multiply this 1200, multiply 12 and 100, it will be 1200, make it easy. Okay, now it will be 12,000. Take this 10,000 to the other side, it will divide this 12,000, 1 plus I whole power 60. So when we will divide this, 3 0 will cancel this, and it will be 1.2 is equal to 1 plus I over 1200 whole raised to power 60. So see, here we cannot solve it because we do not know I. We have to find out. So what you have to do, 1.2, right? This is 1.2, 1.2, and this is the power of 1 plus I divided by 1260. When we will take power to the other side, it will be 1 over 60. This is the important point. Now we have left only 1 plus I divided by 1200. Only we have this here, right? So 1 divided by 60, which is equal to, I can write down here one more step, 0.01666 is equal to 1 plus I divided by 1200, and then 1.2, write down on your calculators, 1.2 and then caret symbol, then 0.01666, you will get 1.0030 is equal to 1 plus I divided by 1200, right? I can do the rest of the question here so you can see the complete question, but you have to do after this. So it will be 1.0030, and this negative will go to the other side, it will be -1. Now we have I over 1200 left. So this minus this will be equal to 0.0030 is equal to I divided by 1200. We want only I here, we do not want 1200. So see, when we will cross multiply, just multiply this with this, so we will get 3.65%, and this is the I, and this is our answer. This is the important question. The requirement was you have to calculate the interest rate. You have $10,000, you are going to invest $10,000 for 5 years compounded monthly, At the end of 60 months, which is equal to 5 years, you will get 12,000. At what interest rate your amount will be 12,000? So in this way you have to find out I. Again, I am saying it is the important question. You have to practice it. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.